How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I dropped the video. Been working on some things behind the scenes, but the side hustles are back. I'm going to be helping you guys have a good summer, get in business, learn this online space. And here's a program that I brought to my channel before that I do. It's passive income, but this is a way that you're going to learn how to leverage the internet in a more simplistic way with the Infinity Processing System, for short IPS. And this is pretty much going to give you a nice introduction, depending on what level you come in at, about social media, mindset, a little bit of technicalities on social media. That's where you see your Instagram marketing, your YouTube automation. But this is going to give you a gist. Partnering with me, I'm going to get more detailed and really give you the psychology, the technical aspect of these platforms. But this is going to give you something where you can just click play and you can learn what's going on, because a lot of people aren't as tech savvy. So a lot of people don't know where to start on these platforms, and a lot of people, they get confused easy. So this is a way you can come in here. Let's go down to some actual information. You can actually come in here and say, hey, I want to do YouTube. I want to promote my business on YouTube. To understand that everyone's not, on my level. They haven't been in this industry for 7 years. So they have to start from the basics. So if I start, talking about algorithm, ranking, keyword research, it gets a little confusing. So here's a place for you guys that come into the industry, have a business, inexpensive business, and learn what's going on. Because if you don't have the basics down, it's going to get very foggy in this industry. So I'm going to be bringing to you what I've learned over the years and organize this path, so you can really achieve the results you want to do. So to look at this, more so how you're going to look at it when you come to purchase. This is what I mean by it depends on what level you're going to come in at. You see, there's a starter, there's elite, and there's a pro membership, and you see what it comes with. So what I'll say, when joining something like this, two heavy things are gonna come from which level do you choose. Number one, price point. When going into business, you have to keep in mind, hey, can I afford this? Because if you spend your last dollar, sometimes it comes to that. Me, I don't really like to save a lot of money. I like to invest a lot of money. So sometimes it's going to be, you might, have $50, your last $50, you might get paid in a week. You're going to put it in the business. But in this case, you want to reconsider a few things. For example, make sure it's not your last $50 where you might go home hungry. You might think, okay, if I get this, it's going to be a get rich type thing and I'm going to make money as soon as I hit submit. It's not going to be like that. It's building a business. So it goes with getting customers, or in this case, finding people that want to learn the same information. So it's going to take time. So don't spend your last amount of money, trying to join these businesses, because there's a little more to it, and I'm going to get into that. And number two, how much money do you want to make and how fast do you want to make it? So when joining any business, especially, something online, you have to keep in mind, okay, when I join my business, how do I want to take this thing? Do I want to take this thing serious, or do I want to take it as a joke? What I mean by this is, when I come into my business, do I want to take it as a joke and just, promote about it a little here and there, not really see, what comes with it, and not actually go through the train and just see what happens? It might not work out for you. But if you want to come in here and build the business, then hey, maybe I want to get shirts made. Maybe I want to get a domain name, a www dot that brands myself. Maybe I want to, get a capture page system. You'll learn more about that as well. Maybe I want to promote it, pay to promote it. Maybe I don't want to do the long game. Maybe I want to get signs made. So think about that when you're joining these businesses, and put the price point, into that. If you're building a business, it comes with, work. So it's the same with anything. If you go to work, you need a uniform, you need work shoes, you need transportation. Think of it like that. It's not so much more physical labor or, physical objects, but you can upgrade your business in different ways. So think about that. So go off of your price point. Obviously, in the higher levels, you're going to learn a little bit more, and you guys all want to learn all these things. Like I said, I'm more advanced at this point in time, so I know all these things pretty solid. I do a little bit more advanced things, which I can show you as well, just for being a part of the team. But you want to know these things. You want to at least know the basics of them. So when you get on TikTok, you understand it. When you get on Instagram, you understand it. When you're talking about your business, you understand you're not selling a business, you're selling your brand, yourself. So me, for example, I don't get on Facebook, and this is, let me see if I can see, the art of persuasion, even a winning mindset formula. So I don't get on Facebook and say, hey, who wants to make money online today? I get on Facebook and I post value. I post value, I post a lot of motivation, but I also, and you'll see if you get me on social media, I structure my things and make my brand seem attractive or be attractive. I make people want to know what I'm doing. I make people want to do more for themselves, and that's why they do business with me. So also, you see there's a mixed in admin fee. So for example, the admin fee includes, the website, keeping the website up. It's just an admin fee. It's all, think of it like taxes, but it's not sales tax or anything, but it gets you a website, keeps it updated, etc. One-time fee. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna pay $50 for your digital products, all these things listed. Most of them come in the form of videos. Then you're gonna pay one-time $25 admin fee. You're gonna get a website. It's gonna be hosted and everything for you. All you do is submit some information, and it's gonna be created for you, ready to go, ready to promote. And it's gonna look something like this URL. Or you can't see this URL, but it's gonna be, it's gonna have a URL for you attached to your username, and it's gonna look like this page right here. It's just gonna have your information on it. So we also, get paid. You can pick how you want to get paid, but the processors I use right now are Zelle, which just allows you to process your credit card, debit card, Cash App. A lot of people are familiar and it's quick. So, and a lot of people, trust it and like to do online transactions through Cash App, so they don't have to use their debit cards directly. And I also use Zelle, which, because it's very reliable, a lot of people know about that. So it's really simple. But to, get towards the end of this video, what I like to really break down is the vision. You see the products, you see the services, you see it comes with things. It comes with actual training and education, so you can take this in, build a business, or start a consulting business, because now you know about social media. So I like to break down the how much do you want to make and how quick do you want to make it. Infinity Processing System pays instantly. All those processors that I showed you, besides Stripe, hopefully I said the name of it correct. Besides Stripe, I think Stripe, that you get paid, and when it transfers to your account, it takes a few days, maybe a day or two, to actually show up in your account. But everything is paid instantly, member to member. Besides the admin fee, which goes to the company, everything's member to member. So when you make a sale of $50, you get paid $50 today. So this program, you're getting paid instantly daily, which is amazing. So if you made $500 in a day, you can see that money instantly. So it all goes down to, what do you want to make and how fast do you want to make it? At the $50 level, especially if this is a part-time thing, it doesn't take that many sales to see some real results. Right here, you see an example: 1 sale per day, $350 a week, $1,400 a month. Once we get down to the 3 sales a day, that's, you know, full-time income. Actually, a little over full-time income for a lot of people. So, you know, as we get down here, all it does, once the lower we get, it's not to persuade you, but the lower you get, all it means is you get the job done quicker. So that 3 sales a day up here, to, you know, see that full-time income, it only takes 1 sale a day down here. You see what I'm saying? And once you get down here, it only takes 1 sale a day to do some very huge things within the month, you know. So I'm not here, like I said, I don't do much selling. I show you what's going on. I show you what you're getting. And to be upfront with you, this information is for the basic marketer. It's either for the marketer who just loves a daily, always wanted a daily commission type of program. They've been in the industry. They're a seasoned vet, and they just want something that's daily. They may or so already know a lot of these things. Or it's for the everyday person who isn't ready to get into something more high ticket, something more complex, something more with a lot of more bells and whistles to it, and they just need something basic. They say, hey, I just need to get started with something basic like Infinity Processing System. I can't do all this technology. This seems a little simple. Everything's integrated. All the training's in one place. How to set my stuff up is in one place. I'll have a website, and from there I can just promote it. I can start basic. And you know, it's for someone like that as well, that wants to do something online. So, like I said, if you're looking for something more advanced, you know, something a little more, you know, with bells and whistles, some more high detailed training, because I know how you feel. You know, I've been in that place where I said, hey, I need something. I don't, it's just not working. It has to be some training out there that's the magic potion, but that really doesn't exist. It's all about taking with what you got, using what you got, making things happen. Because there's always someone out there. There's billions of people in the world. There's always someone out there looking for most likely what you have. So to not make this video keep going on, I will have information below. The first part of the description will obviously have the link directly to this. It should be a capture page, so you actually will get to see what a capture page does and how it works. So it's going to collect your email, so fill out your name and email, or maybe it's just the email. Then it's going to take you to a video that's either going to introduce what's going on, or maybe it'll take you right to the sales page. And then you're going to get the information. You're going to be able to look over it yourself, you know, so you can see exactly what I showed you without me having to go through the whole, you know, website. You're going to see everything that's going on. You're going to see examples. You're going to have videos to break down what's going on in a little more detail. And it's really that simple. And like I said, you may not see the value today, but just bookmark this website. When you get to here, just bookmark it. Keep checking it over. Keep coming back to the YouTube. Subscribe, thumbs up, turn post notifications on. Leave any questions in a comment below you might have. Do not be afraid to leave questions. My email will be in the description. Social media, all types of ways to contact me will be in the description. And this program is really simple, but it's a great way to earn a side income, part-time and full-time, guys. So thank you for visiting this video. Stay tuned for more. Like I said, be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and enjoy the videos to come. Have a great day.